Hi guys, this is Ritu Tamret. Today I'm going to start my first video of SAP FICO module. My videos are totally free, it's not chargeable. At the same time, I would like to tell you people about my online classes, about my online sessions on FICO module, that I am going to give you all the configuration steps. I'll cover all the configuration steps along with the full explanation of these steps. Most importantly, I'm telling you that you can watch these steps or configurations anywhere, or you can get these configurations from any other sources, but it's extremely required on your part that you understand the reasons behind these steps, or you have to understand why you are doing all these steps. Fine. Therefore, I have come with a great solution to this problem. Fine. All my videos will be accompanied with the full explanation part. Okay. Hence, keep watching my videos, and if at all you have any doubts, if at all you are stuck somewhere or surrounded with some kind of confusions, then feel free to talk to me. Feel free to write comments. You can ask me questions related to the problems. You can also email me, and I'm going to give you my email ID in the D box. Fine. So let's start. Today I'll teach you the organization structure. So, and also I'll tell you or I'll give you some rough ideas about some other modules as well. So let's start. We'll start with the FICO module, but before that I'll tell you something about the organizational structure. So what is organization structure? See, all of us know that an organization structure made up of finance department. There are some departments, like all of these departments together make an organization structure. So you can have a look at the picture. There are, we have talked about, sorry, I'm talking about some important departments: finance department, marketing department, sales and distribution department, production department, HR department. Fine. So all these departments together make an organization structure. There's no doubt. Up to here I have already taught. So I'm telling that in the finance, in different departments, different modules are required. Fine. In finance department, let me draw something for you. Yeah. So in the finance department, we are using finance module. In marketing department, we are using marketing module. In sales and distribution department, we are using sales and distribution module. Production department, production module. HR department, HR module. Fine. So we know that our focus area is finance department, because you are the student of finance module, financial accounting module. So we have to wholly or fully concentrate on financial module. Fine. But I would like you to have some rough ideas about some other modules as well, because in future ideas about all the modules will come handy, will be beneficial for you. Fine. So in each and every module, we have to talk about some organizational units. So in each and every module there are some organizational units. So this is true that we have to know the organizational units under financial accounting only, but I will tell you some important uh, some important organizational units under uh, uh, material management and also sales and distribution module. Fine. Because these organizational units, the ideas of these organizational units are very important, as we will in the future do some integration parts. So you must have got some little ideas about these organizational units under material management and sales distribution uh, uh, department, sorry, sales distribution module as well. Fine. So let's start this financial module. So in the financial module, what are the organizational units? Let's see. sorry. Yeah, this one is the module FICO, and this is our module which we have to concentrate on. Fine, this is FICO, and there are some organizational units. The first organizational unit is this one: company, second company code, business area, functional area, credit control area, etc. Fine. So these are some of the organizational units we have to talk about, and later in our classes I'll talk about these organizational units in some detail. Fine. So let's go to mm, see, this one is the sales and distribution module, and under this module there are different organizational units. The first one is sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales group, sales office, and sales area. Fine. So these are the organizational units I will also talk about in detail in my future videos. So you must have got at least rough ideas about all these organizational units under sales and distribution. Fine. So let's talk about some organizational units under material management. So the third area in which we have to know about the organizational units are material management. So there are some organizational units such as purchase organization, plant, storage location, purchase group, etc. And the fourth one we have to know about is controlling. See, the controlling part, there are some organizational units: controlling area, profit center, cost center, etc. Fine. So these are some of the organizational units under different modules which I have talked about right now. So but this is true that we have to focus on the organizational units under financial module only, but these organizational units also we will have some work in our future. So I gave you some ideas about this. Well, it's very important you to know uh, about some uh, about some of the organizational units under at least material management, controlling, and the sales and distribution part. Fine. So all of these organizational units are interlinked with one another. So the most important reason why you have to know about all these organizational units is that all these organizational units are interlinked with one another. Why I'm telling you? Actually, the company code is an organizational unit under FICO module. We have learnt it previously. So this company code is the most important organizational unit out in financial module. Fine. And this company code is created under financial module, I have already told you. So this unit is very important because all the other organizational units I have talked about under different modules are assigned to this company code, and the data flows, whatever things are done under these organizational units, whatever data data are there under all these organizational units, flow from these organizational units to the company code, the organizational unit under financial module. Fine. And get updated in the company code. All these data get updated under company code, and all these transactions, all the transactions having financial impact are recorded here, fine. Also there are some basic settings under each component, and these basic settings are also interlinked with one another. So we have not to learn about all these basic settings except the basic settings under FICO module, because this is our module and we have to focus on this module only. But we have to know at least some of the basic settings about the component called material management, SD and CO, because I have already told you that these basic settings along with the organizational units are interlinked with one another. So you must have got some ideas about these basic settings as well. Fine. So in our next class, in my next video, or in my next class, I will tell you in detail about all these basic settings and company code, sorry, the organizational units, all the organizational units under financial accounting. And as far as the basic settings are concerned, we have to go into detail only the basic settings under financial module. And as far as integration parts are concerned, we will have a look at the other basic settings under different modules and or a different organizational unit. So in the next class, I'm going to tell you in detail about all these organizational units under FICO module, and we will also learn some basic settings in our next class. So till then, bye. And I have already told you that if you guys have any problem, any doubt, any confusion regarding my video, regarding my teachings, then feel free to comment, feel free to ask me any question you want. I will, and also if you have got any suggestions, like any suggestions, I will also feel free to take up your suggestions and include those suggestions in my teaching. Fine. So till then, bye. And please watch my videos. In the next video, it's going to be very important, so watch that video also, and the series of videos I'm going to bring forward for you. Fine. Okay, bye.